Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Welcome back. This is the second cash stuffing for the month of January. I am so excited. This is going to be a nice and simple video. I got a few updates for you guys, but other than that, we're going to get right into it. So if you are a new watcher, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykay. I'm glad that you are here. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope that you enjoy it so much you want to subscribe and join the family. And then for those of you who are returning subscribers, hey girl, hey boy, hey, glad to have you guys back and glad to be here for another cash stuffing. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So as always, we're gonna start with our wallet, and we have some money left over. So gas, the budget had to be up, y'all. Like, it had to be up. I put $75 this time towards gas, and by the way, the total that we're stuffing today is $575. It was a little bit more, but I already put $50 into gas. So gas right now is going to be getting $25. So we're going to do this little thing for a little while. Giving gas $75 because that is what I've been needing. Like, I've been working, my schedule's been a little bit different. Working night shift, I've working more days, and I have like some orientation days in there. So I've been driving back and forth to work a lot more than I usually do. So I have needed more gas. So gas got 25, toll has 5, and it's going to be getting another 5, so we'll have a total of 10. Don't plan on going anywhere, and if we do, we pretty much been using the Easy Pass. So food has $15 left. We're going to put this off to the side, and we're going to give it 20. I should keep it in here, but I'm not going to promote me like going out and just eating everything because that's not the goal with my money. Date night has something left over. We have $2. We're going to put that over here. And date night is going to get $20 as well. So we went out to the diner. I love diner, y'all. I love waffles, Belgian waffles with the fruit on it, side of sausage. That is my go-to at the diner for breakfast. I love breakfast. Shopping is going to get 15, even though it shouldn't get a thing. So you'll see this cash stuffing, I was a little bad. I put majority of my money onto my Wells Fargo credit card because I did some spending, you guys. I did some spending that I wasn't supposed to be doing. So instead of putting money towards debt this check, it went toward, like, instead of putting money towards student loans, rather, it went towards my credit card because that thing was looking, it was getting up there, maybe like 600 something, and I don't like it to be that much. 300 is usually like my normal average monthly thing because I do pay my car insurance on there. Any subscriptions that I have go to that credit card, and then like my pet insurance and stuff. So it should really only be 300 max with like some extra spending, but 600 I was like, oh, we can't have that. So I put some extra money towards that. So then we're gonna get into, let's do the cash envelopes next. I wanted to put something in every folder, even if it's like a little bit. I wanted to put something in there because that's just one of my goals this year, is not to slack on any of these envelopes. Anything counts. $1 counts, $5 counts. It doesn't have to be this great large amount. So fun money has $10 in it now. It's going to be getting 15. So we have 15. Don't really think we have anything planned. Self-care, this is my favorite envelope. Like, I am just like 2021, I am doing the dang thing with the self-care, okay? Towards the end of the year, I did start doing a lot more self-care than usual, and I'm just very excited because, you know, it's important to prioritize that stuff. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, and we are going to be putting in 20, so we'll have a total of 100. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. And that is that. And that will just be like for my nails and stuff like that. Emergency fund has $465. It's going to be getting $5, so we should have $470. 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 470. So that is good. I'm trying to get to 500 sometime soon, which we're right around the corner. But I want to get 1,000 in here, so then I have 1,000 sitting in here before I touch my actual savings account. So next is car maintenance. Car maintenance has 80. It's going to be getting 5 as well. Just going to push this up. Push this up. There we go. So $5. So it should have 85. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. We are doing good. The only thing that car cost me is gas. Medical dental has 100 in here right now, and we're going to be putting in 5. And I do have some doctor's appointments coming up, like an annual, because I switched doctors. And I have a dentist appointment coming up. So yeah, maybe we'll finally use some of this money. Haven't had any more Vertigo episodes, so that's been a blessing. Now we're going to get into the sinking funds. B-Days and Gifts has 100. It's going to be getting $10, so we should have a total of 110. My father-in-law's birthday just passed, and now my mom's birthday is coming up. So I actually just ordered her gift yesterday or today. I just ordered her gift though. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. So we are doing a lot better on the birthdays. That is like 4 to 5 people right there, which I'm happy about because it's basically February now. Hubby has $15. He's going to be getting 5. So he's a total of 10, 15, 20. Actually, it would be nice to save this all up until his birthday and then have a whole bunch of money for his birthday. So I think that'll be the goal. Vacation has 15. We're going to be putting in 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. I really, really, really am like itching to go back to Florida. And it's because we go to Florida all the dang time. And I am just like, I want to go. I want to go again. This snow is doing too much for me. So grad school is next. It has $500 in the bank, and we're putting $500 towards it today. So we'll have a total of $1,000 in the bank. I do need to do the math because for summer, I don't know how many classes I'm going to take, but I have to just get an account for the discount that I get for like $400 something and just figure out exactly how much I have to save, but I'm just trying to just save while I can. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So my spring, which is now, is already fully paid. So we are on to summer. Textbooks has nothing in it. It's just going to be getting 5. This class, I did not need a textbook, but I already bought the textbook. So I basically lost $20. But I did use it, so at least I'm using it. And I only rented it, so it is what it is. Christmas has 20. It's going to be getting $5. Actually, no, it's going to be getting $10. Look at us. So now we have a total of 10, 20, 25, 30. Which is good. And like I've mentioned before, I want to buff this up maybe $500 this year instead of the $300. Simplykay has 125. It's going to be getting 5. So we have 100, 120, 125, 130. I do have a Michael's gift card. I mean, not gift card. I have a Michael's reward, a voucher that I need to use. So I will be trying to use that soon. P.O. Box has $5 in it. We're going to put another 5 in here. So we'll have a total of 10. That's not due till November. When God blesses me, it's for me to bless you. That is going to be getting $5 today. And we have $13. We're going to take this $3 and put it over here. So we'll now have a total of 5, 10, 15. Did send off the giveaway prize over the weekend, and I'm so excited for that. I'm glad that the planner will be in use as someone who's going to use it, and you know, it's better than it sitting around in my house collecting dust. So I'm glad that I was able to do that giveaway. That was unexpected, but was still a nice giveaway. So I do this every time. There's $99 in here. So we're putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have $104 in here. I'm going to spare you guys the count because I feel like every video I sit here and count the same deck and still have not put in the tracker so that I didn't have to do that. But we're adding $5 to this, so now we have 104. And we're just going to keep saving this. And actually what I did think is when I get it to 100, I think I'm going to cash in. Well, I would like, since we have 104, I would take $4. I would take this, cash it in for $100 and put this $100 into the savings challenge because, I mean, either way, I'm really only doing kind of like these saving challenges. So, and I don't have any idea of what I'm actually going to be using this for. So that is the saving challenge, and the dollar saving challenge, and it has $104 in it. And now this saving challenge, which is my personal savings challenge, has $240 in it. I wanted to put more in here this week, but the way that my check was, I just had to prioritize and put money elsewhere. So we will be taking this extra $15 and putting it in there so that we at least are putting something towards this saving challenge this week, because I do want it to grow every week. So now we have a total of 100, 200, 220, 240, 250, 255. So I'm like, that's pretty good. So I will write that on here. 255. And I think that the way everything has been adding up is that my first check is going to be where I have the most wiggle room and more money than the last. So we'll see. Since I'm working night shift now, I might have a little bit more money to play with. But that is all that I have for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick, short, nice to the point, but we got our money in our envelopes and we are ready to continue on and stay motivated, stay consistent, and save this money and pay off this debt. So hopefully next time, you know, we have a little bit more money to work with, since I'm working night shift, and I'll have a little bit more to put towards my envelopes. But nonetheless, I am thankful and I am happy that I even have money to put in these. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.